Hello and welcome, everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about the grace of God. Okay, so the grace of God is there to help us not to sin. But I want you to pause and think the price that it cost Yeshua to come down from heaven to become a sinless man and die on a cross for our sins. He was the firstborn, the only begotten Son of Yahweh. He was sinless perfection, meaning he did not sin, yet he paid the price for everybody's sin. That is grace, that somebody takes our place that completely did not deserve our punishment. Why would God do that? Why would Yahweh do that for us? Why would Yeshua go through all of this? So that our price can be taken away, so that we can have freedom. That is what we call grace. Now, for me, many times I think about it, that why would somebody do something like that for me? And the answer is because of tremendous love. That is the reason. And I can just imagine what the price felt like, what it could cost, but I can never bear that price. I am unable to bear that price. And that's why I want you to think today, to partake of that grace. Because if you do not accept the gift, it doesn't mean the gift is yours. Even though it's a free gift, you can take it, you can use it for your freedom. Many times people are in religions that they have to sign a contract and they cannot escape that contract. The one I heard is like a billion-year contract. Now, it sounds ridiculous, but man, just imagine having to pay off 1 billion years for your freedom. We get it as a free gift. We take it, we accept it, and that is why Christ was crucified, so that we can be free. I want you today to think about that free gift of salvation, the grace that is bestowed upon us, so that we can be free. Father, I thank you for the blood of the Lamb that washed our sin away, that gave us a second chance, that helped us to become newness in life, that we can receive that gift of life. Thank you for paying the price for our freedom. And thank you that we can be your children. I thank you for that in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.